Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your AoD for Android 13. So we've shown you in our previous video how to establish or create and use AoD for any Android device that doesn't have it by default with the help of Movies Edge app. Now let's open it, and right here make sure that it's enabled. So we've selected this one as our main AoD. Now let's move to the settings, go for always on display, and right here you'll be able to customize it with this settings visible. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.